market, we will experiment with that for the next months. So tomorrow there is major news at 8:15 EST. Danny will be here at 8 a.m. EST. So we'll just simply go with the flow. That's what the room open will be based on for the next months. So there we go. Oil is finding support at these levels. This is not my ideal support level for oil. My ideal support level for oil is about that 107 number. But as you could see how critical danger zone levels are. Here's pullback 1 that went on for 60 ticks, and here is a pullback 2 and completely expected collapse. There we go. Oil is struggling. Very temporary pullback on oil for about 30 ticks, not much more. And currently oil is continuing downtrend that I expect to go on until at least 107. And what is ES doing? Very funky dance, but at any moment I may be taking long on ES. Again, my ideal point on ES would be 1633.25. ES finding support much sooner. Will be very critical to see if this will be sustainable or if it's a temporary fluff. So that's what we're concentrating on to see if it's a powerful bullish rally or it's a temporary fluff. We're going to be able to identify that in the next few minutes. Oil is almost at 107. That's a level I'm incredibly interested in. On that note, as we're monitoring the formations and we see absolutely nothing we can touch at the moment, let's take a look and let's remember a couple of facts and what we discussed recently in the morning class. Take a look where oil had been hanging to for dear life on monthly chart. This is the first time ever we had been looking on monthly charts on oil. Is this explaining and showing you how critical it is to know where the end of the minor trend is? Now this explains very clearly while oil had been doing this fascinating flop and fascinating dance, because oil is struggling against the end of the minor trend on monthly. That explains it all. And let's take a look on ES weekly. ES weekly pointing down to 1603. 1603 level not to be ignored. But more than anything, I expect serious buying power to show up at 1568.50. So again, 1603, 1568.50. We're still monitoring very carefully. Here is ES daily. ES daily pointing down all the way to 1600 level. This is very powerful bearish structure. The most powerful bearish structure we had seen on ES since March 2011. What will transpire at 1603 will determine potentially the most bearish rally we had in more than 2 years. So again, 1603 and 1568.50 not to be ignored. Potentially the most powerful bearish rally we had seen in 2 years is setting up, and the dance at these levels is what will tell us if that bearish rally will continue or it was only bearish correction. Very critical formations, 1603, 1568.50. If the support will not be found at these levels, the collapse will continue, as clearly reminding us, know where danger zone levels are. So we are seeing bearish correction in a play, and it would be very critical to see if the sellers will continue or it was only bearish correction. 1603 is the level that will show us that.